Om Bhairavaya Namah. Today, I'll not be talking about deities. I'll not be talking about anything positive. Rather, I'll be talking about something that is very much trending at the moment and it is kind of supernatural things. I'll be talking about an app and I will be simply experiencing the entire app with you. The app is known as Girigo. This is the app which I have just started, and you can see that I have not even done a single setup. So before even starting this app, okay, it is producing some kind of creepy noises. So let me just do some get back to it. I'll get back to it. Okay, first understand simply the origin of it. So when we are talking about Bhairava, the main theme is occult. What is occult? Occult is something that is supernatural, which is not natural. So this app came from a Netflix series, which is, I think it is a Korean Netflix series, and it means that if wishes could kill you. Girigo means if wishes could kill. So the entire thing this app is based on means that if you have some kind of manifestation, you want to say some kind of wishes in your life, then you can simply say that wish to this app, and after your wish is over it will do some kind of damage to you. So I am testing that. So I'll be opening this, and this is my phone. So let's open this app, and this is the first time me using this app, so I do not have any kind of experiences with its interface. So everything will be done in front of you. I have closed this app, but it is still producing some kind of sound. Okay, so okay, this app is kind of creepy, but let's see what happens. I'm opening this app again. Okay, it wants me to record my audio. Okay, I will be enabling everything. So this is the actual interface of the app. You can just see it, and I'll simply say a manifestation that you guys will also see. Okay, so everything will be very much transparent, whether if that the manifestation will be fulfilled or not, or I will be facing any kind of things or not. So when I'm opening this app, it is just loading this kind of interface, and the noise is very much annoying kind of noise. It is not a pleasant noise to hear. So I don't even know how this works. I'm just simply clicking everywhere. Okay, this has started to work. So I am manifesting that in this video that I am recording at the moment should have, let's say, 10,000 views just before next day. The date is 2nd of May, and just before the 3rd of the May this video should receive 10,000 views at least. That's just a simple manifestation that I have told to this this application. So that's my manifestation, and I believe that it will be fulfilled. So I will just simply click the pause, and I think everything is done here, and I think this is the proceed button. So I will click this. So it is just, I think the manifestation is already done. So okay, I think the interface has again opened, and you can see that uh, the interface is again opened, which means okay, so it means I think the manifestation part everything is done. I don't know, this app is a bit creepy because it is still working when it is closed. You can hear, I can simply like use everything, but it is still producing some kind of very much unpleasant kind of sound. And okay, so now I know how to use it. So this is simply the app, and I have already recorded the manifestation. I do not want to record more than one because I know how manifestation works. You just manifest one thing at a time, and that's how it works. So if I wanted, I could manifest 10,000 views by myself simply by meditating, but I never do that because I don't want the video to reach to the wrong type of audience. The videos will only reach to those kind of people that are meant to see my videos. So that's the reason I do not put more effort into manifesting this, that I am just a original creator, I do not fake anything. So everything I say to people, it will be channelized according to energy and it will reach the right people. So that's the main reason I could have manifested many subscribers, many views, this that, but I never do that. I do not play with the actual reality of this universe. So, and I'm very much okay with how many people it reaches. So I wanted to test this app because I want to also explore the supernatural part of everything, of spirituality as well, and document it, because the part of supernatural are something that I have always experienced since the start of my spiritual journey, but I have never been able to document anything. But these kind of apps, occult supernatural apps help us to understand more about whether these are just simply hoax, whether it is some kind of coincidence, or whether there is something else to it. There might be some kind of course related to this software. It could be that, because there are other things also like Ouija board. Those things happen. There are few games that people say that they have played and they have attracted the things. So those kind of things could be done. And this is the app that I have, it has come to my feed a lot. I rarely use social media, but today is Saturday, that's the reason I was scrolling through social media and I saw this app. People were trying this app and everyone is saying that, oh, after you say your manifestation through this app, you will die, or something accident or something will happen to you and you will suffer this and that. They were talking more about the supernatural part of it. And me being a Bhairava devotee, I know that this is just a hoax, there will be nothing, and Lord Bhairava is there to protect me, so I will not have to worry about anything. That's the simple thing. So I just wanted to try whether, if the manifestation even happens, I will believe this app. Even if this video gets 10,000 views just before the end of 3rd of March, 3rd of May, then I will believe this app fully. It does not have to do anything bad to me, but even the simplest manifestation that I have delivered to the universe, if that happens, then I will believe this app and I will recommend you guys to use this. But if you are using this app, do not worry, it is nothing. It is just a simple camera program where you record it and it just vanishes. So this was for this video, and I felt this would be some kind of interesting video, that's why I tried it. So this was for this video. If this video was enjoyable, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. And if you want to learn about spirituality and any kind of manifestation techniques, feel free to join the channel memberships as well. So this was for today, and Om Bhairavaya Namah.